Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Apple ID account. Now head into the settings on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, and first just tap on your name at the top. You can see I'm logged into my Apple ID account. The first thing that I would recommend doing is scrolling to the bottom and tapping on Sign Out. You're going to sign out of this device and any other device that has that Apple ID account because, of course, after you delete it, you want to just be able to sign into a different Apple ID account on this iPhone, or maybe just give it away or sell it, whatever you want to do. So you can choose Sign Out but Don't Erase. If you wanted to keep all the data on your iPhone, hit Sign Out but Don't Erase, and then just go through this process. Now, after you've done that, you have two options. Let's head into a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome, and we'll first just go to account.apple.com. Now, if you wanted to delete your Apple ID account because it's causing issues for you, I would highly recommend creating a second account first and then deleting the first one. To do that, go to account.apple.com and then tap the drop-down arrow and just hit create your Apple account. And you can create another Apple account here. Keep in mind, when you do have that other Apple account, it will make it easier to delete the first one while still being able to log in on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Now on the process of deleting it, we're going to go to privacy.apple.com. Again, privacy.apple.com. And this is where you can actually delete your account. So it's going to ask me to sign in. Let me sign into my account real quick. Tap the sign in and use my Face ID. Let me use it again. And now after I've used my Face ID to sign in, you'll be able to see at the bottom it says you get a copy of your data, transfer your data, and at the bottom is request to delete your account. Let's tap on that. Now, it will walk you through several things that you might want to do before you delete your account. Because keep in mind, all of that information on your iCloud and associated with your messages will be deleted. So if you scroll down, it'll say certain things like before deleting, you might want to download a copy of all of your data. Sign out of your devices, which is what we just did, is to sign out. You're going to scroll down and select reasons. It doesn't really matter what you choose here. Let's hit continue. And then again, it will walk you through things like your storage and your iCloud plan will be canceled. You'll lose access to everything. And at the very bottom, you can just hit continue to go through the process of actually deleting that Apple ID account. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.